Hello, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Tsyplakov Vladyslav. I'm the Business Development Director for Mirai Index, and today I'm presenting Air Cycle Refrigeration. We have started in 2015 in Switzerland, and currently we are based in Brno in Czech Republic, where we have our headquarters, manufacturing facility, testing facility, research and development, and from where we provide the service support. We are the European pioneers in the air cycle refrigeration technology, and our technology is developed for the ultra-low temperatures. Our mission is to revolutionize the refrigeration industry by providing the cleanest and the most environmentally friendly solution. So talking about the technology, as you may know, there are multiple refrigerants that can be used for ultra-low temperatures. More specifically, R23, ethane, R14, but these refrigerants, they have their limitations. Some of them are HFCs and some of them are flammable. The HFC ones have very high GWP and should be phased out. Well, I present to you the alternative, air. It is completely natural with zero ozone depletion potential, zero global warming potential. There are no environmental regulations against it. It is forever free of charge. It is capable to go down to -160 and has greater efficiency at lower temperatures and more economical than liquid nitrogen. We approach our technology in two different ways. We have two different product lines, mainly open refrigeration cycle and closed refrigeration cycle. And the technology is based on the heating capability of air during compression and cooling down during expansion. Repetition of compression and expansion cycles allows us to reach and maintain ultra-low temperatures. Mirai cold machines work in the temperature ranges from -40 down to -130 degrees Celsius. The open cycle refrigeration machines are open to the refrigerated space, so there is direct contact between air and the cooled product. The air is circulating between the machine and cold room. The closed cycle machines are closed by definition, so air inside the machine is pressurized and doesn't leave the machine, where we are cooling the secondary working fluid in the additional heat exchanger, mainly for process applications. The heart of our refrigeration machine is the turbo module, which consists of a centrifugal compressor and expander. They're connected with the same shaft. That means that the energy generated from the expansion process is fed to the compressor, making our systems up to 30% more energy efficient. We also use air bearings of our own development and production, which you can see here. That means that there are no contact in pairs during operation. There is no oil and no wear. So, open cycle refrigeration system. There are multiple applications for tuna storage, -60, -70, pharmaceutical vaccine storage, mainly -80, but also possible -70, and whole body cryotherapy for -110 and -120. Our goals are to provide future-proof refrigeration solutions, raise the standards of safety and reliability in the industry, supply eco-friendly solutions with zero global warming potential refrigerant, and introduce a new level of temperature flexibility from -40 down to -130 degrees Celsius. Our open cycle machines are supplied with a device called snow catcher. It is actually a humidity extraction device. We supply air directly to the chamber. We suck the air from the chamber, which allows us to capture the humidity in the form of snow and ice particles and extract it mechanically from the chamber, reducing the need for defrost procedures designed for continuous operation, and you don't have the need for evaporators and auxiliary fans, thus increasing your overall energy efficiency. We have done multiple successful projects with our partners. Here you can see a project for Recipharm. This is a pharmaceutical company with two independent storage chambers, which can be set for -20, -70, or -90. Any temperature adjustable within this range, with a volume of 85 square meters each chamber, with N+1 redundancy, with 3 machines per chamber. This installation is equipped exclusively with technologies that use only natural refrigerants. There are also containerized type solutions, standardized projects that have been developed with Telidor and KTI. The complete solution is a standard container with temperature range from -40 down to -110, but optimized for -80, with variable storage volumes, 37.5 cubic meters and 110 cubic meters, which has significantly higher efficiency than upright freezers. The KTI solution was presented at Medica in 21 exhibition in Düsseldorf, and we had a great success exhibit in there. Both projects use the Mirai Cold 10 open cycle machines. Also, we have introduced our refrigeration equipment onto moving semi-trailers. This is an ongoing project where we introduced our Mirai Cold 15 open cycle air-cooled machine for a refrigeration transportation application, which is the missing link in the ultra-low temperature cold chain. And last but not least, a whole-body cryotherapy sauna, which is located in the German city of Karlsruhe, which you can visit and experience the ultra-low temperatures of -110, cooled by a Mirai cold refrigeration solution. It has a great temperature uniformity because the machine is great at supplying air from the top and sucking it from the bottom, so that you have a consistent temperature on your head level and ankle level. In 2020, the system was upgraded to act as a heat pump with the hot exhaust air from the machine cooling used for the heating of the premises during winter. Long-term confirmation of reliability, stable performance, and low operation costs and low maintenance costs have been confirmed. So now about process cooling applications. These machines closed cycle machines are used for numerous process cooling applications where we have air working in a closed loop. These machines are equipped with an additional heat exchanger. Air from the closed loop is cooling down the heat transfer fluid, and most frequently that is silicone oils because they can remain liquid at room temperature and ultra low temperatures. The closed air loop is using pressure change for operation, but not phase change. It is always gaseous. So here you can see a successful project by Hof Sonder and Langebau, where we have two Mirai Cold 10 machines used for the production of insulin in a freeze drying process. For temperature -50 used on the shelves and -90 used on the condenser. There's an easy installation for new projects, as well as retrofits with existing freeze dryers. And a similar process to this is blast freezing. You can see that the refrigeration circle is organized via a tank with silicone oil, which allows us to accumulate the cooling capacity and distribute it on numerous levels. Another customer of ours is GEA Leo Air, which use a different approach than Hof. They decide to use a CO2 system for the cooling down of shelves down to -50 and a Mirai cold system for the condenser down to -90. As you know, the majority of energy is used for the condenser. This is why increase of energy efficiency for this process is extremely important. And both our customers, Hof and GEA, have reported energy savings of 15% using our systems. Additional application for our machines is solvent recovery process, which allows us to extract solvents from a manufacturing process stream, such as ethanol, acetone, xylene, and possibly others as well. We have liquid condensate collected by cooling the vapor, and 99% recovery achieved. The system was installed and commissioned in 1 day and is fully compliant with the German TA Luft regulation. Now I present to you the new product. We see that in Europe, we have a crisis situation with the gas supply, and more increasingly important becomes the production of biogas. If you liquefy the biogas, you can use it for various interesting applications, such as the transportation industry. We have developed a machine based on our Mirai Cold 80 for the liquefaction of natural gas. You can inquire more about the system by visiting our stand in Hall 7. More information about it later. To briefly go about the benefits of our systems, we use the most environmentally friendly refrigerant, that is air. We have the safest solution on the market, which operates with the low pressures. We can achieve any temperature from -40 down to -130. We have high energy efficiency and very economical in use due to low maintenance requirements. We have continuous cooling with defrost, without defrost, and continuous humidity extraction. We also have technologically advanced system with the remote monitoring and external software updates. Easy installation and serviceability, complete legal compliance, and a 2-year product warranty. We have also done comparisons of our systems with the typical 2-stage cascade systems, and we have done a calculation of a break-even point, taking into account the slightly higher investment cost of our technology. However, a significantly lower operation costs, we're able to achieve a break-even point after 2 years and 2 months. This means that by choosing our technology, the customers already start saving money after 2 years. However, if you compare this data for a 3-stage cascade system, the break-even point is after 6 months. Only after 6 months, people already start saving money by using our technology. Our success is recognized by multiple magazines and organizations. As you can see, we have won our first award back in 2019 for Innovation of the Year with our Mirai called 15, and multiple other awards with RAC magazine for Refrigeration Product of the Year and Refrigeration Innovation of the Year. We developed the ultra-low temperature air cooling technology that has made a breakthrough. It is an innovation showing high reliability, environmentally friendly approach, and easy-to-use controls. Please visit our stand and our partner stands for more information about our products, solutions, and integrations. Thank you.